Hey guys, it's Mark, and this is the bike check that I promised. So yeah, start on top. O'Day Barnes, just whatever. Grips I bought off a friend, GT grips, and here we got ODI XLs. Cutting down there just to keep my bars protected. Bars are not Colt, just has a Colt sticker. But these are Animal Presidential bars, 8.5 rise, 28 wide, chromoly. Got stem I bought off a friend. It's a top load stem, really nice. I don't know what the brand. He said it's like a Hawk or something weird. Headset, got Eastern headset, with a Federal top cap. With my forks, I just got these Eastern Carl Pointer forks because I snapped my Fit Shift 2s. Sexy forks as well. Hub, I got Colonial Monkey hub, female axle, lace 2, double wall rim, bought off a friend. I don't know what it is, but spokes, Supreme spokes, hub guard, homemade hub guard. Gonna make a video on that next time. Peg shadow little one, fit FAF 2.10. Let me get here. Yeah, 2.10. Fit by Co. Seat, got a Velo seat wrapped around with a mid-fat seat that I got before, scratched up and shit. Pretty much gonna buy a new seat. So Eastern crown pedals, yeah, really grippy. I only ride three types of pedals. It's either these or Twisted PCs or Hamiltons. Cranks, got crank sister cranks. Chromoly, got 22 sprocket for my old bike, just threw it on there. KMC chain 410. Yep. Bottom bracket is Animal, going towards here. I have a Colonial Monkey hub, the cassette version, and chromoly axle as well. Same rim, same spokes, same tire. Hub guard, got a hub guard that is meant for this hub, and same peg, shadow little one. Frame I bought in the Philippines, brought it home here in America because I'm half Filipino. And yeah, that is a Enemy Revenge 20.5 top tube, mid bottom bracket, 30.5 rear end, 8.5 C tube, integrated headset, double gusset, and yeah, full chromoly. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty cool. I like it. Hub sound. How am I gonna do this? Just place it here, kinda. So yeah, it's my bike. Pretty much dialed. Love it. Yeah, no problems with it whatsoever. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, we'll do some how-to. So please subscribe and like this video if you really liked it. If you don't, then just don't do anything. So yeah, bear with me. It's just my second video. So I did a video and review on my riding shoes. So yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.